Login failed on TradeZero Fix. You're about to log into TradeZero, ready to place your next trade, but suddenly, you're hit with the dreaded login failed message. Don't worry, it's not the end of your trading session. Here's how to fix it quickly and get back in the market. The first step is to double-check your username and password. TradeZero credentials are case-sensitive and often fail because of small typos or saved autofill errors. If you've changed your password recently, type it manually instead of relying on your browser's saved data. If the login still fails, click Forgot Password. TradeZero will send you a password reset email. Make sure to open it from a verified TradeZero domain and remember that the reset link usually expires within a short time. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old data can block new authentication tokens, especially after system updates. You can also open a private or incognito window to start a clean login session. If you're using the desktop app, ensure it's updated. Outdated versions may fail when the backend systems change. Go to the official TradeZero site, download the latest installer, and reboot your computer after updating. Now, let's talk about network issues. TradeZero's security system blocks logins from certain fiends, proxy servers, and public networks. If you're connected through one of these, disconnect and try again from a secure private network. Another potential reason for login failure is account restriction. If your account has been inactive for a while, or if there are pending compliance checks, TradeZero may temporarily lock access. You'll need to contact their support team to verify your details. Most people think a failed TradeZero login means something is seriously wrong, but it's often just a small technical hiccup. By checking your credentials, clearing your cache, and ensuring you're on a stable network, you'll be trading again in minutes. So the next time your login fails, take a breath, fix it fast, and get back to doing what you do best, trading with confidence.